Okay, this is problem 14 from problem set 9. It says if 3 roots of x to the fourth plus x plus ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 are -3, 9, and -1, what is the value of a plus c? So the first thing I did was write out this equation, and the roots of this are -3, 9, and -1. But because it's x to the fourth, we know that it has 4 roots, so we're missing one of them because the problem only gives us 3. So what we can do first is multiply all of these roots out. So we have x plus 3 times x minus 9 times x plus 1. And for the one that we don't know, we're just going to call it x plus y. So the first thing we can do is multiply those out and FOIL them, and then multiply these two together, which gives you x to the fourth plus x to the third y plus x to the third plus x squared y minus 6x cubed minus 6x squared y minus 6x squared minus 6xy minus 27x squared minus 27xy minus 27x minus 27y. And then we're just going to combine like terms. So we have x to the fourth plus x to the third y minus 5x cubed minus 5x squared y minus 33x squared minus 33xy minus 27x minus 27y. So in the first equation, we know that it doesn't have an x cubed term, so we know that the x cubed term here has to equal 0. So we know that y minus 5, because those are the x cubed terms, y minus 5 is equal to 0, so we know that y is equal to 5, and we can use that later on. And we also know that our a is with the x squared term, so we're just going to combine and add and subtract these, so that to get our a. And we also know that c is our final term without the x, so our -27y is going to be equal to our c. And we know that y is equal to 5 because we got that from our x cubed term, so we're going to use that to help us solve for a and c. So our a is equal to -5 times y, which is 5, minus 33, and our c is equal to -27 times 5. So a is equal to -58, and our c is equal to -135. And then we're just going to subtract these, so we have -135 minus 58, and that is equal to -193, which is your final answer for a plus c.